This is a stay of a lifetime. No, what? Oh, just see it. It's a gold.
Money can buy happiness.
No. I mean, a good life partner can also buy happiness.
Money can buy
it's
happiness.
A myth. It is a myth. With money, a good life partner, it makes life.
If you have money or everything.
No.
Paying over a lakh for a room is a significant amount. Are you getting the kind of experience that justifies the price? Let's find out. Well, this is the most ultra luxury experiential resort in the world.
The wind here, even at night, is enough to dry up your hair. And this is the perfect spot to lay out your mat and do yoga. We're at the 38th floor.
Welcome to Atlantis the Royale, a place so exclusive that even the world's richest call it a dream. Today, we are taking you inside Dubai's most ultra luxury resort. But is it worth the hype? Let's find out. If you were dying tomorrow, I would suggest just take one night and spend 2 days in the Atlantis, because views like this, sunlight that hits the spot, and amazing food. I would highly recommend if you're here in Dubai, totally enamored. You can fix the temperature after going outside. If this isn't what luxury hotels do, I don't think you can get this experience anywhere else. If all are ever in Atlantis, catch her to get you to stretch and catch him to get you to
Yes, please.
squeeze your muscles.
Yeah, we will squeeze it together.
That sounds so wrong.
Charger,
Pick a side. Why
are you not putting it? Why is it leaving? Isn't photo खींचो किधर?
Can't pick a side. I don't know what I need. We are leaving we are leaving this side. Baba doing bubbly investment payment detail. Buying Apollo Green.
इनकी जगह sun.
Shine. Today he's looking smart. Happy birthday to you. जिंदगी का हर पल सुख दे आपको, दिन का हर लम्हा खुशी दे आपको, जहाँ गम की हवा छू के भी ना गुजरे, खुदा वो जिंदगी दे आपको.
क्या लिखा है यार?
That's my luggage. That's me saying bye.
चलो बैठो.
I'm always in between.
अगर आप लोगों को टाइम है तो हमें एक रिव्यू दीजिए सुबह और शाम एक रिव्यू दीजिए.
Reaching the Atlantis Royale. So these staggered blocks form the two towers, and their sky courts and terraces consistently overlap at 3 locations in the tower, resulting in 6 crores divided evenly between the residences and the hotel. Welcome to the Atlantis Royale. This is the best property you can ever stay in. Basically, if you're into people watching, it's a prime territory. You see, the elevators, the services, and the egress are within these cores, with an exception of those volumes that cantilever from the core at the far ends of the building. Oh my god, did you see that? The arrangement also ensures operational redundancy. The main lobby, which is soused in hues of blue and tinges of golden tonne, and rooms indistinguishable from any mid-tier chain hotel, and high-end boutiques. So basically, if you're into people watching, it's a prime territory, packed with people who look like they were beta testers for plastic surgery. If you want to do Dubai on a grand scale, this is the place. So because we initially booked this room only for 2 queen beds, and we're not able to check in because there's apparently a rule about a fire hazard that Dubai regulates, so you can't check in 4 people even in a 2-bedroom room. So the only solution for that was for us to beg and plead and ask them to make an exception, and they did. We have to pay like 450 extra dirhams for one person, but that's okay. It's a small price to pay for something as grand as this. This is a hotel with 795 rooms and suites, 17 restaurants and bars. This is the exact bag that I liked in the previous vlog.
go.
I'm going down to the Greyhound station. Ticket to ride. I'm gonna find that.
Yeah.
Sun comes up and down round about to
38 है क्या?
Top floor now.
Yes, we were born with a silver spoon, but Atlantis gave us a golden toothbrush.
What? What?
It's like a wallpaper.
Well, welcome to my humble 7-star abode.
Oh my
Thank you.
god. Oh my.
At Atlantis, even the basics come gilded.
Gold. Gold.
These toothbrushes were made of gold.
Oh my god. अरे यार पूरा aesthetic बिगाड़ दिया.
एक मिनट उधर ही रखना ना मुझे इसका ट्रेनर. अच्छा था.
Stealth wealth certainly doesn't exist in Dubai because wealth doesn't whisper here, it shrieks. Imagine 160k pound suites, dolphin meditation, champagne vending machines.
Open now, okay?
All of them arrest my plebeian status.
Bro, that's a actual what?
Unique control panel for your room. Just you can make the
unique control.
yeah, you can just switch off, switch on from here. Lighters
Lights master
Yeah,
on
lights.
and off, okay?
and just you
The perks are stunning views of the Arabian Sea and a private beach, access to all the facilities at the Atlantis, the Palm, including the Aquaventure Water Park, the Lost Chambers Aquarium, plus the Atlantis Explorers Club.
Open.
and the shirt.
Sheer close.
We'll start again one more, and just this one now is clearly, and just we have to press this button and magic glass. It will come like a magic glass,
Okay.
and just you from that side.
It's all chargeable.
With a yes, no, yes,
Okay,
exactly.
okay, no issue.
Just there is a menu also,
Yeah.
and if you want, like it from here.
A safety
Okay, yeah, safety box.
You can keep your valuable items.
Fragrance.
Yes.
Literally,
Welcome to the place where something incredible happen at every moment. And we want you to feel right at home. Please let us know if there
You
is
should take all this.
Sing the song for the people with me.
If you have money,
वो है क्या वो islands? वो जो
क्या ढूंढ रहे हो और कुछ नहीं. Oh, I'll do shampoo my hair, yeah.
And get back in the game and start playing again.
If opulence is what you seek, Atlantis the Royale delivers in every way possible. This is Dubai at its most extravagant, where luxury isn't just a feature but a way of life. So sick of. I'm going to the gym. This is one of the first trips where I just don't feel like recording anything, just enjoy. It has it all: a sprawling water park, private yacht and jet ski amenities, an aquarium, high-end shopping, including a Louis Vuitton boutique, more restaurants that you can count on both hands. We also have the Awaken Spa, though let's be honest, once you check in here, you won't want to leave your room. We're entering the gym, a wellness space spanning 32,300 square feet and multiple swimming pools, including the Cloud 22, perched high on top of a sky bridge. Don't let the fire and the fountain shows distract you from the fact that the staff here are exceptional. So there's a woman who's going to be stretching out with you by the Atlantis with the view of the same hotel, and you can just follow along this video and enjoy the studio space. I mean, how cool is this? I had the best gym session ever, and the attention to detail at a place like this. In spite of its sheer scale, this resort offers the best service you'll find anywhere in the city. I mean, what is this place, yaar? पानी है, फूल है, पेड़ है, सब तो है, luxury भी है. There's literally also like a nail bar, a salon, like literally everything you need and more. This is so crazy. I am heading for my Pilates class. My dad is heading for spa. My mom is going for swimming. And my brother is actually currently getting a facial, I think. So it's insane. Wearing all my newly bought gym shorts. And from the trip I'm going.
Go.
I'm going.
No, just go.
Can you help me remove this?
अभी कैसे कटिंग करें?
My Pilates instructor just asked me if I need a hair tie, and I told her it's really, really hot because I just came from jet skiing, and she told me you can put your hands on the floor or without floor, no worries. So when you are going forward, the heel is not lifting up like this. It shouldn't lift up. There shouldn't be a gap there. Ankle, control, and you come back. Okay. This practice is also good for your this stretching. Right. Because you're stretching here and your hips forward and back. Without lifting the heel. Yes, you can. You should because pain to have a that there are. We have Simran and Dimitri who's fixing his hair because he wants to look good for the camera. But any words of advice? She's given me a lot of stretching poses that I also on the last trip. Any advice you have for my viewers?
Any advice? Stay always strong and healthy.
Yeah, so he's a weight guy, she's a flexibility queen, so we have both going on here. If all are ever in Atlantis, considering most of our time would be at the water park, we couldn't justify paying for the upgrade. Hence, we decided to not go and immerse ourselves completely in the room amenities. Simply one of the best properties you can ever stay at in the world, not just Dubai. This is what true hospitality and luxury is. Okay, bye.